Welcome to Wheel Check Review, the home of luxury, power, and precision. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 GMC Luxury Grandtour, a van that doesn't just redefine travel, it transforms it into a first-class journey on wheels. If you're someone who believes driving should feel as grand as flying private, then the Grandtour is built exactly for you. With a stunning mix of elegance, technology, and unmatched performance, this masterpiece from GMC is where luxury and adventure finally meet. From the very first glance, the GMC Luxury Grandtour demands attention. Its sculpted exterior, finished in a deep metallic sheen, gives off pure sophistication. The front fascia features a bold chrome grille, integrated with adaptive LED matrix headlights that cut through the night with authority. The sleek body lines flow seamlessly from front to rear, ending with signature LED taillights and a panoramic rear window that screams exclusivity. Whether you're arriving at a five-star resort or cruising through city streets, the Grandtour makes a statement of power and prestige. Step inside, and you'll immediately understand why GMC calls this their most luxurious van ever. The interior is nothing short of a rolling penthouse, wrapped in hand-stitched Napa leather, complemented by real wood veneers, brushed aluminum details, and customizable ambient lighting. The captain chairs offer full recline, massage, and memory functions, making even the longest rides effortless. At the center, the GMC IntelliSuite 2.0 infotainment system offers a massive 20-inch touchscreen with AI voice controls, real-time navigation, and 5G connectivity. It's like traveling inside a smart luxury lounge, calm, connected, and commanding. Under the hood, the Luxury Grandtour packs serious power. The 5.8-liter twin-turbocharged hybrid V8 engine produces a robust 580 horsepower, giving it the heart of a sports machine. Combined with the Smart Drive 4x4 system and adaptive air suspension, this van glides through highways and handles tough terrains with grace and stability. It's smooth when you want comfort and fierce when you crave performance. GMC hasn't forgotten safety either. The Grandtour Guardian Plus package includes autonomous braking, night vision cameras, lane centering, blind spot radar, and full AI-based driver assist. Whether you're navigating a crowded city or cruising through mountain roads, the Grandtour watches every corner so you can focus on the experience. The 2026 GMC Luxury Grandtour isn't just transportation, it's a symbol of status and innovation. It's made for those who value comfort, craftsmanship, and class above all else. Thank you for watching Wheel Check Review. If you enjoyed this deep look into the all-new GMC Luxury Grandtour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more luxury and performance reviews. Until next time, keep riding in style and stay tuned with Wheel Check Review.